Hi, Money Makers. Welcome back to the channel. As we all know, flying anywhere these days can be extremely pricey. It could cost you several hundreds of bucks. Do you look for opportunities to save when you're traveling? Are you looking to cut back in the overall expense of traveling? Do you want to keep some of the money so that you can actually spend it when you get to your destination? If you said yes, this video is for you. Let's get into it. As you know, there are several airlines that have luggage included in your travel. So when you purchase a ticket, you actually get the luggage, 1 or 2 bags free. However, there are also those airlines that you get a cheaper rate most times, but they have everything under the sun a la carte. So you have to pay for everything. Well, if by chance you are traveling on one of the airlines that does not include free baggage, let me share with you one way that you could actually get free baggage. Do you know that if you actually take your bags and you roll it down to the actual plane, you can check your bags before getting on the plane and at zero cost? So by all means, if you're a person that you really don't want to pay the extra fee because it could be astronomical, then by all means, guys, roll your bag all the way to the plane and check your bag plane side and save your money. Huge savings there. Well, if you are actually flying and you didn't pack a lunch, but you need something to tie you over until you get to your destination, then some airlines, all of them will not tell you, but there are some airlines that have a basket or some type of central repository of nothing but snack items. And you can actually grab a few of those items for free. That will give you something to keep you going until you are actually able to get to your destination. Don't be ashamed to ask, because sometimes they will not tell you. But you can always ask if they have any type of free snacks and capitalize off of that. Many times they have items available for free for the guest upon request. So if you are flying one of the lower budget airlines, don't hesitate to reach out and ask the flight attendant if they have those free snacks. It will save you quite a bit in funds. If you find that you're on a flight and they are actually serving drinks, did you know that you could actually have the full can? I know many people think that you cannot, but you can have free of charge the whole can, but you have to ask the flight attendant for it. So guys, by all means, ask your flight attendant should you desire to have a full drink. If you're flying internationally, most of the airlines will provide you with a meal. Now, all of them will not provide you with a hot meal, but they will give you a meal, and it may not even be something that you would like to have, but you can save money by eating what's made available to you on those flights instead of buying or purchasing additional types of meals on those flights. Free upgrades is also an option. I know you may think I'm crazy, but no. Actually, if you are a person that flies at all, you should always sign up for the free rewards program or the frequent flyers program or whatever type of program they have for their passengers at each of the airlines. In doing so, you qualify for a free upgrade. I know you're probably thinking, well, I don't fly enough for a free upgrade. Just because you don't fly enough doesn't mean that you're not automatically eligible. You could potentially be eligible by virtue of just being a member. Given the number of available seats or upgrades available, you would be surprised to know that you will qualify for an upgrade. So if you have never experienced first class or business class and you desire to do so, by joining the rewards program, you are headed in the right direction in terms of getting a free upgrade. Free food during delays. Guys, many people don't know this, but if you are delayed at the fault of the airline, you are entitled to have a free meal voucher. Do not allow them to fool you. You need to ask, because a lot of times they will not tell you. But if there's a delay due to the airlines, they have to provide you with that upon request. So ask for your free meal voucher and use it to get a meal while you're being delayed. Just keep in mind that the delay has to be over 3 hours. Free headphones. I know that many of you have your newer devices and the headphones are not compatible with that of the airlines. So don't run out and buy the more dated headphones so you can accommodate your longer flight. Save your money and wait until you get on the flight and ask the flight attendant for a set of headphones. And they will provide them for you to use on the flight. Many of them will actually allow you to keep them. So you can store them away so when you need them again, you can actually use them. Free change and cancellations. Many of you don't realize it that if you cancel before or change your flight before you check in, many of the airlines will allow you to actually do so with a small charge, if any. However, if you are on a basic ticket or you have a very basic fare, there's a likelihood that you will not be able to change your ticket or cancel your ticket before check-in. However, if you're not using a basic ticket and you need to, please do so before you check in. And many times they will grant you a voucher to use the refunded monies within a 1 year period. Free Wi-Fi. I do fly quite a bit. And I remember many years ago, there was no Wi-Fi available on flights. Now they have it and it's at a cost for most of the passengers. Here, as of late, many of the carriers are actually providing Wi-Fi for free or a certain level of Wi-Fi. So I would tell you before you book your ticket, find out if the carrier offers free Wi-Fi because there's a great likelihood that you can gain free Wi-Fi at no cost, which will give you a more pleasurable experience while flying to your destination. I've given you several ways that you could actually save money while flying. I hope that this has been extremely helpful for you. If you would like to get additional information about flying or saving while flying, please type in flight in the comment section and I'll provide additional insight. Please like, share, and subscribe.